If you log onto the system and it looks like this, so you're just viewing a day view, what you're going to do is go to your top right under where your username is and click on it. From there, you're going to click on Preferences. On this page, you can change your first name, last name, phone number, and email. If you make any changes, just remember to hit save. If you click on the middle where it says View Options, this is where you can change your starting page. If you wanted to show different events in groups, if you guys have them grouped up. And then you can also change your default calendar view. So all you're going to do is click on either month or week, whatever you prefer, and then hit save whenever you change it. That way, whenever you go back to the calendar, you can look at your month view. On the right side, if we click on Resource Calendar Options, this is where we can change our default resource groups. So if you guys look at your resource calendar a lot and you want to have it automatically select certain resources so you don't have to go in there and check them each time, then you would just click on the drop down, select whichever resources you want to have automatically marked. That way, whenever you go on it, they show up on your calendar. You would just click it and then click on save. And that is just going to be a little overview of your preference area.